Capturing good audio is a must-have for my content. My secret? Sony's ECM-G1. Why do I use the ECM-G1? It elevates my content by creating an immersive experience, so viewers feel as though they are right here with me. It gives me the confidence to capture my voice clearly. The camera's inbuilt microphone captures sound from all directions. But with the ECM-G1's front focus capture, my voice is recorded with clarity even in a noisy environment. I get the freedom to expand my creativity both indoors and outdoors. Windy situations? Not a problem at all. The ECM-G1 is so easy to connect, I don't have to worry about missing any moment. With the fuss-free setup, I can react fast and explore interesting angles. The best part is, I can bring it wherever I go easily. No matter where you are, whatever the situation is, the Sony ECM-G1 is an essential for your vlogs and content creation needs.
Sony.